The Disney Plus error code 83 typically points to a compatibility or connectivity issue, often indicating that there's a problem with the device or network you're using to access Disney Plus. Here's a list of steps you can try to resolve this error. 1. Check your internet connection error code. 83 can be related to slow or unstable internet. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Try speed testing your connection and ensure you meet Disney Plus's minimum requirements, at least 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. 2. Restart the device. A simple restart of your device, whether it's a smart TV, computer, tablet, or smartphone, can resolve many errors, including code 83. Turn off the device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. 3. Update the Disney Plus app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Disney Plus app. An outdated version of the app may cause compatibility issues. For mobile devices, go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and check for updates. For smart TVs and consoles, check your device's App Store for any available updates for the Disney Plus app. 4th, check device compatibility error code. 83 can sometimes occur if your device is not compatible with the latest version of Disney Plus. Make sure the device you're using supports Disney Plus. Review the official Disney Plus compatibility list to ensure your device is supported. 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily, as Disney Plus might not support streaming through these services, causing issues like error code 83. 6. Check for server outages. Sometimes Disney Plus may be experiencing temporary server issues. Visit the Disney Plus Twitter page or check their official website for any announcements regarding server outages. These steps should help you resolve error code 83 on Disney Plus. Let me know if you need further help with any of the steps.